Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Today, we would like to present our final project, 3D Character Animations, Applied Science Program. This is our group member, Anis Patricia, Nurul Amni, Nur Izzah, and Nurul Khalisa.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Am binti Mazlan and I will talk about introduction. For this project, we have to produce an animation in an estimate time of 30 seconds. We need to produce at least 5 models for this animation to look more interesting. We produce characters that are in the form of all science and calculus. Therefore, we need to produce an animation that has a promotional element about applied science. Next, for the theme and concept, we use laboratory equipment and calculus equipment. So, what is applied science? Applied science is important for the development of the latest technologies. Applied science, there are courses like engineering, computer science, and astrophysics. And what is calculus? Calculus is more of a calculation like mathematics but at a high level.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Khalisa and I will present about our pre-production. So what is pre-production? Pre-production is a process includes the concept creation, storyboards, rough script reel and a character creation. So first thing first, of course we need information related to the applied science department to make our storyboard. So we gone to the Google site of the Department of Applied Science to find the information. So after that, we find that the Department of Applied Science have four basic subjects, which are chemistry, biology, physics, and calculus. And then we started our storyboard. To make sure that our storyboard is good, we use several video references on YouTube. So because of that video references, we also find our background music and our idea to make our background for our video. So then we also plan we also choose our color code for our models and background, and we plan to use bright color for the models and light color for the background. That's all for our pre-production.
In production phase, we started the process with 3D modeling, surfacing, rigging, character effect, matte painting, lighting, and rendering. For chemistry, we make atom models and lab codes, and calculus, which is calculator, ruler, and graph model. In biology, we make DNA models, microscopes, and biology lab tools, while physics, models of magnets, gear, and pendulums. And this is our modeling for stage and background, which is a stage in the opening and ending video, while background is for every part of the subject like chemistry, calculus, biology, and physics.
So the next one is the camera movement. So our camera movement is either static, which we put it in front of the model or this on the side of the model. So there's also camera movement where the camera move around the model. So we use this kind of camera movement to make transition. So we also put lightings. So there are three spotlights and 2 point light. So one spotlight is used for background light and the other two are side light. So the next one is 2 point light. So 1 point light is used for the front light, while the other one is for the top light. That's all for our production.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So for post-production is part of the process in filmmaking, video production, and audio production as well as photography. The editor assembles the scenes shot by shot, adds music to the video, and incorporates other visual and sound effects. So, for this project, we use Adobe Premiere Pro to compile all of our animated scenes. So, in this software, we use to compiling scenes, importing. Hi, Assalamualaikum. So, for post-production, in conclusion, we learned a lot of things during this project, such as how to plan the storyboard according to the style of commercial ads, and how to create objects in Blender, how to arrange the camera position, how to use spotlight, area light, and others, as well as how to build an object step by step from a cylinder until it becomes a complete telescope. So we are hoping that with this project, we can improve our skills. So in conclusion, we learned a lot of things